Pump up your wash with the Grundfos Constant Pressure Booster Pump from Sonnys. This durable, versatile powerhouse pump ensures your wash always has enough volume and perfect pressure to deliver the cleanest cars. So, why switch your site to this new pump? It's simple. Efficiency, reliability, versatility. Let's start with efficiency. This pump is fast and easy to install with a smaller footprint. You'll be up and running in no time with no headaches. Its energy-efficient, fully integrated VFD will lower your energy costs and ensure your pump only runs when you need it. We've also improved our shipping process. Get your new pump fast with no issues or damages. Next up is reliability. Grundfos pumps are well known in the industry for longer life with fewer maintenance needs and a 2-year warranty to protect your investment. Stainless steel impellers are a big reason why this pump outlasts the competition. Better yet, this pump is self-priming. That means it doesn't burn out and you can cross priming off your task list. Another major benefit is our no-flow shutoff. If water isn't supplied, the pump shuts off and provides an alert. It also maintains constant pressure to ensure every application gets exactly what it needs and every car comes out sparkling. Last is versatility. With this new pump, we've made it easier for you to choose the right one for your wash. Fewer options that meet a wider range of needs. This pump can help your wash in countless ways. Use it as a full-site booster pump or use it to boost pressure and volume for a single application. Whatever your site needs, this pump can do it. Efficiency, reliability, versatility. Pump up your wash with a booster pump that does all three. Contact us to learn more about the Grundfos Constant Pressure Booster Pump from Sonnys and place your order today.